Hey everyone, so this is a example of how to use this sheet just so you can keep record of your treatment sessions. So here's the area where you'll want to enter your information. So it'll prompt you here, it'll tell you specific details, just make sure that your data is consistent everywhere. This one's going to be a drop-down menu right here, but basically this is where you enter your info. This right here is what's going to show up on the injury report. So the injury report isn't going to show your personal notes. And then down here, you can see that these are all the past sessions that automatically saves. So I'm going to enter here. Everything's entered. I'm going to click save. So you'll see that it updates here that was the past note. And then future sessions are here too. That way it's easier for you to look at what you need to input. And then right here, you could just start with your next one. So I'll put in SquarePants, SpongeBob. And then you'll see that this again updates. So you could just look at right here. This isn't copy and pastable, but you could certainly just type in and then I'll enter everything here. This is by default. You can see here that it'll automatically turn to today's date. Just make it easy for you so you don't have to change it every day. But you can change this to a former date if you need a backlog. So not only does it save down here and pull up there, but this is the full database of every entry you've done. So you could sort here. By default, it is sorted to name. Make sure you have this in alphabetical order for the injury report. So I'm going to go sort A to Z because that'll make the injury report. It draws from here, so it'll make it alphabetical order. So once you go to injury report, you'll see that the most recent data will be here. This is so we'll put SpongeBob, and again, he had Anconius repair. And I'm going to put revision, just like the bottom note, 2022. And then yada, 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 just put whatever here. I could even change this status to, let's say he's cleared at this point. We'll go full go, all team drills permitted. And then I'm going to hit save. So again, that saves down here. And then you'll see on the injury report, he's here. Status is green. So basically, if you want someone to show up on this status report, you're going to have to make sure that the entry is 8/13/2022. So in theory, what you're doing is you're generating this report after you've entered everyone's most recent update there. And then from here, this makes it easy. You can just do this right here, highlight that part, file, you go to print, and you'll go print as PDF. I'm going to make sure selection is chosen, and then I'm going to put fit to one page, and then it'll have your nice sheet here. You could print it out and then email it to the rest of your teams in case they need any info. But that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.